She's wagging her tail. I still think she'd want to eat them. Cute little cats.
Go back around and get my little kitty. Look at them.
So that's the one we want to keep, isn't it? That one. And we like that one.
And the black one.
And the black one.
Hey,
Black one's being very cute, isn't she?
So is this new one. We'll keep
This one's very sweet and very attentive.
I know. But we're selling that one, Mom.
Probably a little boy.
This
You
one's
funny
probably a
little
little
thing. Look at you.
girl. I hope this black and orange white one is a girl.
Girls are dearer to D6. Boys are cheaper to D6. And they're all getting D6'd.
I hope they're all girls.
No, I hope they're all boys. They can D6 them all cheaper.
Ew.
What? You little cats. I just had to rescue them from under the gate again because Queenie took them out and put them under the gate. And since there's a black snake out there today,